Alright, Bishop's Castle. It's a little dark, but we're gonna climb up. And then we've gone to metal stairs. It is the middle of May, yet there's like a foot of snow up there. Up here, yeah. I like the windows. And Betty Boop is an angel, of course. I don't know how high we are. I get winded just with those steps, though. I think we're at like 9,000-10,000 feet. Wow, this is just amazing. Yeah, you don't want to go out that one. Don't go that way. Flying with the wind. Cowboys. Broncos. Strange. September 9th, 2001. Oof. That was a bad week. Penny Turk. So, was it a pig? I just don't know.
Sounds like there was quite a fight between them and the town, too.
Yeah. Based on that sign. There's some feelings. Some of these have glass, and then some don't. Look at that weather though. Oh, that's like an elevator. I wouldn't go on it, but... So, they're dogs. They're dogs somewhere. Oh my goodness, look at this. Wow. Hi, buddy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. That's okay. Hi, buddies. Look at this.
Got like 2 feet of snow or something.
Oh my gosh, there's more. This is amazing. Amazing space, though. Yeah, here's the elevator again. Here's like a wizard again. I'm sure when the weather's good, this view is just stellar.
I love how the window's open.
Yeah.
I'm afraid to walk out there. I don't know where the footing is.
Yeah, I'm not sure either.
Looks like looking at that picnic table, looks like they are almost 2 feet.
There's a ton of snow here. It would be fun to, yeah, the stairs. And that walkway up there too, oh my gosh. It's all packed in snow. Keep going.
I remember being a carpenter.
Alright, we are gonna go up some more. I think we're headed up here. There's a lot of snow and water dripping, but
That's my better judgment.
oh my god. Oh my gosh, it's all open too. Getting a face full of hi.
Hello.
This is pretty waterproof, fortunately, but
It's kind of raining in here.
yep, raining and snowing.
Isn't it amazing though? You coming up?
Yeah, I'm just enjoying the seeing you guys climb up there.
Enjoying the snow showers?
Great. Yeah, I'm still getting a face full of it, but Greg is now several stories above me, but still visible. And of course, there's no railing anywhere.
You do need to watch your footing because there are some holes in the
Yes. Thank you. That's amazing.
I've been this high up in a long time.
Oh my gosh. There's no end in sight.
Of course, the trees make it seem not so high, but
The trees lie. The trees
Oh yeah, there's a hole.
it's got a slip down here.
It is.
Yeah.
Footing. Remember when I said you need good shoes?
Yeah. I probably should have changed.
The bell looks like it's wired out.
It does, doesn't it? It's a pretty cool bell though.
Oh my goodness. Yeah. Good God.
I should have worn my raincoat.
Yeah, no kidding.
Wow. Oh. There's some snow.
Need my gloves.
Almost.
I think I'm gonna head back down.
All right.
High enough?
I need to at
Well,
least
it's
take
just
some
getting
pictures.
slippery up there.
That is fair.
Yeah.
I'm-
Oh my gosh.
Powder day.
Oh, because they're going up to the very top.
Yeah. So you
They're
can go
kicking
clear
it
to the
loose.
top, and there's a bridge across. It's
Okay.
the bridge to nowhere. You can see it out the window.
Maybe another day.
I wouldn't do the bridge to nowhere in the snow. It's fantastic.
That's nuts.
It's amazing. What a work of art.
Yeah. I gotta come back here when the weather's good someday.
Smile.
Picture of you over there.
Gosh.
Yeah, I'd like to come back here when it's dry.
Yeah.
It is.
Yeah, yeah. Oh.
It is better when it's dry. But you can see the glass roof
Yeah.
that you turned over just then.
That bridge up here. Bridge to nowhere. Sometime when it's not snowing.
Yeah, I was not expecting this amount of
Yeah.
snow, guys. Or I would not have suggested this.
Well,
It's an adventure.
sailing today would have been a cold affair.
Are we warmer now than you were on the boat? Really watch your stuff, guys. Some of these trips are
Yeah.
dicey. Even dry, they're pretty dicey.
Feel bad for dropping some snow on y'all.
Yeah.
We knew what we signed up for.
We didn't. We came from Denver today, and then
Well, yeah, I came from Parker. I was not expecting snow.
that's exactly where we were from.
All right.
Yeah, just in Meridian.
I didn't think it'd be this much.
Yeah.
Sure.
We were thinking about sailing at Lake Pueblo. We thought, oh, we'll go to the castle instead because the weather's not great. And little did we know.
Yeah. We're gonna go after this. Go down to the sand dunes.
Oh,
It
yeah.
is down there.
They've got snow too.
Do they?
Yep.
Jeez.
I was supposed to be backpacking.
We were thinking about that.
Wouldn't it?
It would have been brutal.
Good choice there.
Yeah, you got a couple holes on the floor again.
Yeah, there were a couple bad steps there.
Yep, and there's one on the landing that's not so hot.
There's those 80-degree days when you want one.
Yeah.
No kidding.
Yeah, give it 2 days, no, in Colorado.
Came down from Leadville to get out of the snow.
Yeah.
You found some more.
Should have gone to Denver.
I think it's even deeper here than it was there.
Well, that's not a good sign.
Oh yeah. I blew.
Pretty there. Really needs a handhold here, though.
Success.
Yay.
You guys doing okay?
Yeah, I'm slowly getting there.
See what us small people have to go through with banging our head.
This reminds me of the Carillons in Amsterdam with all these,
Oh yeah.
you know, weird levels and no railings and low clearance.
This is quite a fascinating.
But it didn't snow inside.
So amazing. Hi guys.
The puppies.
It's okay.
Yeah, same.
Hey guys. Guys, what's up, buddy? Yeah. So next time we got to try the other one. These are like stone.
Want to do it again? These are stone steps. It's better.
You going up or down?
Up.
All right.
Go. You got the GoPro.
They're not real level.
They are not level at all, but they are stone, which is both better and worse.
Yeah. And a better railing.
Watch your head. There
I
are
was,
some very.
I was just gonna say I'm ducking because there's some clearance issues.
And some mouse poop.
Oh, sure. Is that their new gift shop? No,
You
trespassing.
can go out. Oh, not that one. There are a couple of these you can go out.
Now we're starting to get a little snow on the steps.
I like these stairs better.
Yeah, better.
Yeah. Stairs and railing. Yeah, this might be about the end. Well, there's
No,
more.
you can keep going.
All right.
There's even an outside balcony when there's no snow.
Well, here's the balcony, but yeah, I don't know. You think that there's a walkway and then there's a big gap.
There are a couple holes, so just watch where you step.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not going out there.
It's great in the not terrible weather.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Cold fingers?
Yeah.
Those were something I wasn't thinking about.
Metal railing. It's a little chilly. And then now there's more and more snow on the stairs. I think this is about it.
You can go up to a legitimate non-metal platform.
I'm gonna pass on the snowy stuff.
Yeah. I'm not
You're
going any.
past? Okay, now I'll turn around.
Because it's really deep.
Probably.
It's knee deep
Oh, that's too
the whole
much.
way up.
Nope.
Yeah. In the summertime, I bet this is amazing.
It's stunning, and it's sunrise with the stained glass filling.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
So pretty.
What is it, May 10th? Oh, God,
Or is it 80-degree day when they need it?
yeah.
Here comes the dog.
Feels like a traffic jam.
Who's coming up?
We got one more coming.
Oh, I'm slow, I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I stopped to take some video.
These are stairs that should be used fast.
No.
I was just thinking a minute ago it'd be cool to have a GoPro.
Yep. Glad I brought mine.
You should come back in the summer. It's an amazing place.
Oh, come on, doggies.
It's okay, baby.
It's just us again.
What's the name of the castle? Family name?
Bishop.
Bishop.
So what was up there? What was up there?
Stairs up there.
Yeah.
I see it.
I was gonna say we were up, but it's those
And this is the
way up there
that's
that
the
are.
bridge to nowhere
God,
because it's not connected to the other tower.
that's insane. Someday.
Daddy was really strong after carrying all those rocks.
Yeah.
You're a cutie. Looks like a cutie too. Well, it was very little, just the tiny roof ceiling here. And that was all put over metal.
So what about like the
Worked on
floors?
some
That
houses
tall?
though that were pretty big.
Do you have a castle on your resume?
Probably not a lot of people do.
Michael Milton's house, the Pease house, a whole bunch of them at the base of the hill. That was before Michael Milton got convicted.
I don't even know the name.
I was gonna say I've heard the name. Bond trading or something?
Bond trading.
Yeah.
Something illegal.
I mean, the rich guys seem to do a lot of illegal things.
Oh man.
Couple snowy steps.
I think I can trust this. Wow. The ironwork is impressive.
That big round one.
You see the elevator over there.
So that's how they did the building materials up and down for the other levels. And there's a cart outside by the Dragon Head. To do
Okay.
more building materials up inside.
Oh, there's a neat picture of Betty Boop.
Yeah. Betty Boop is an angel.
Naughty girl.
That would work well in the night.
Sure.
If I could find somebody who could put that on a sale.
Requires some artistic talent.
Boop boop boop.
She used to be a famous old cartoon character.
Oh no, I know.
Yeah, I know Betty Boop.
I was just at Islands of Adventure in Florida, and they have a cartoon area, but it's a lot of really old, obscure cartoons. Like, I mean, Popeye is a pretty big name, but it was like Marmaduke and Olive Oil, or Betty Boop and stuff. And
Very, very snowy on this map. And we back to where we were. There's the other side we can go around and look at too. do we want to go back in or do we want to go around?
I don't care.
Oh, it's straight ahead, I guess, since we're going that way.
Yeah, this is a little treacherous.
Oh, it's so cold in there.
Yeah, that's right.
Have good windows.
Insulation is a little lacking. Well, and the arches and the metal work, and there's just so much to it. There it is, lost in the fog and in the snow, Bishop's Castle. It is wild. Sometime we're gonna have to climb up to the top, not in this weather. I don't know what the little offshoot is. We got a place with coffee and Red Bull, and a little gift shop that's closed. Let's see what else is here. They're going in, whatever it is. This shows you how much snow they've had. Good grief. Just look at that. That's nuts. I don't know what this is. Mother-in-law's at Pierce. What is this?
It's the gatehouse.
Oh, okay, sure. And mechanism maybe to hoist up the drawbridge here?
Yeah. So drawbridge and gates work.
Here. Of course they do. Fireman's stripping.
So these stairs
Slavers,
are horrifying.
Oh, okay.
If you turn around and look up, just like they're awful.
Oh, it's a garage door opener.
Yeah. Aren't those terrible stairs?
Yeah, no, thank you.
Those don't look up the code.
No, so those are the ones I started on when I hit around
Let's
in
see.
the corner.
Not sure anything here is up to code.
I think they're blatantly flaunting code.
Uh-huh.
That's what the town had trouble with. They're trying to get
Yeah.
the in here.
Can you imagine it?
Not ADA compliant.
You should look at the stairs, Joel.
Okay.
Look down and up.
Can't even see down at first.
It takes a minute.
Oh my gosh. There's stairs? Oh, yeah.
Remember where you took my picture? Those are the stairs.
Sure. Okay. Oh, we could have gone all the way. All right.
You can keep
And then
going.
those are still pretty sketchy.
I don't know if the stone ones or the metal ones are better, but they're just different kinds of scary.
Yeah,
Isn't
those-
this a cool place?
I've never seen a place like this. This is
No,
awesome.
this is crazy. This is crazy.
You do have to watch where you step, though.
Yeah, well, the big hole right there at the opening was welcome.
Small kids beware.
Yeah.
I don't know that I would bring a tiny child here.
No.
We can look on the outside, but we're not going inside.
I don't know if I would
It's like
even bring
legit
a lot of people here.
Oh, cool. Well, part of me says that room, the big atrium, would be cool for a little party or, you know, reception or something, but I think it would kill people trying to get them here.
Imagine putting some of those upper rocks on, make the concrete in this little batch plant down here, and you gotta haul it all the way up.
Yeah. That's quite the workout.
Astounding amount of work they put into it.
Yes.
There is some kind of like pulley or block and tackle or something. Maybe you could hoist some stuff. Yeah.
But, yeah.
Elevator's not going to get you to the very top though. Watch out for the bug.
Up in there?
Yeah.
In the high wind, it sways.
Oh no. No thank you. Yeah, I'm not sure I trust engineering here. Can you make a path to our car? Alright, so that's where we were a minute ago. Excuse me. Yeah. You could go up and over if you're brave. Is that what you're telling them?
Yes, if you're brave.
Yeah.
They've got the shoes for it.
Yeah.
I think I gotta follow my mom. Oh yeah. Don't get lost.
Okay.
That's
Say
all
goodbye to
right.
your wife. You'll never see her again.
That's it.
So the pulleys are for the drawbridge. The garage door opener is for the
Yeah.
gate.
Okay, sure. Well, you gotta have a drawbridge and a gate if you got a
I think
castle.
the gate has a rock on it, so it's heavy enough that nobody can plow through it.
Now I'm scared
Did
to
you put
walk
your picture in
underneath
the
it.
hidey hole?
Sure.